Hello, I'm Simon Clarke from Clarke Infinity. People often ask me what's the difference between a media room and a cinema room. A media room is a room with compromise. A dedicated home theatre doesn't have any compromise whatsoever. The most important thing to get right is ambient noise, making sure you haven't got any noise outside the room, as in cars, trains, washing machines, etc. And any noise inside the room will make a massive difference to your enjoyment of the movie. For example, the sound from the projector or the air conditioning. The director can record anything down to 22 dB. That's like the sound of a mouse or someone breathing on the screen. And if you've got a projector making 35 dB, you're just not going to hear it. You're going to chase the volume, turn the volume up and turning it back down when there's explosions. Get the room's acoustics right in the first place and you'll have an amazing room.